Good morning, it's Friday. It's freezing. It snowed last night here, but it looks like loads, but there literally is just a tiny sprinkling, so nothing major at all, but it's also raining, so it's slushy and disgusting. It would appear though that Essex is a tiny little pocket that has received next to no snow, because literally just the other side of the river, in Kent and also in West London, there is like 14 centimetres of snow, and there's apparently over 700 schools closed. So there you have it, we've had a lucky escape. Anyway, today is a pretty dull day for you guys, I'm afraid. This morning is strictly admin and literally computer based admin. I've got loads of stuff to get ready for our web developer for the website, and then this afternoon I'm being joined by the lovely Cheryl, who's coming in to make a sewing machine mat. That is, if the snow doesn't decide to come up from the south of England and start dumping here, because if that's the case, we'll be turning around and heading straight back home, because it's all hills and country roads to get here. Slight change of plan, the lovely Cheryl's now not coming in. I've been doing admin all morning. I've just found £20 in my jeans pocket, which was nice. So yeah, I've got to prep now, make sure that we've got everything ready for tomorrow's one-day intensive sewing course. But I think it's actually quite chilly in here and it's cold outside. I'm going to go home, make myself a cup of tea, and crack on with some more admin from the comfort of my couch. So I'm all set up for tomorrow's class. I've left all the fabric out for Maddie that she's going to need because she's teaching it. And it's time to go home. I'm going to take the cups home for the dishwasher. I've got some parcels to post. I've been a good girl today and I've hemmed 2 of my dresses. You'll see those later. And that's it really. It's 3:15. I should technically still be here till 5 and I've got loads of work to do. But once again, someone has forgotten to feed the hamster, and therefore he's not running fast enough and our internet is not being powered well. So it is so slow that it's painful. So I'm going to go home and I'm going to do the rest of my admin there. So I'm sorry today's been a boring day. I'm not due in tomorrow, so you're actually not going to get any footage from tomorrow either. And then Monday I fly off on my hollybobs. So this is probably going to be one of the shortest BTHQ banters known to mankind. However, it will be exciting the week after next. I will see you again soon. Bye! So it's Saturday morning. I've nipped into the studio to drop off some clean mugs, so the ladies can have tea to drink all week. As you can see behind me, everyone's busy sewing away. Maddie is teaching our one-day intensive sewing class today. And that's all you're going to get from us, I'm afraid. It's a very, very, very short BTHQ banter this week. I'm off to sunny Vegas on Monday. I will have, oh, there she is. Hello. You will have, when will you be seeing this? I'll have been there for 4 days by now and I'll be just about to come home. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Much better, longer one next week, I promise. See you soon. Bye.